I can't do makeup and talk.
Oh, okay, it's going.
Hi guys.
Wait, not yet. Not yet. Okay.
No,
There you
I'm horrible at this. Hang on. Cut. Take two. We're gonna have to start over.
go. Not the entire thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my daughter's channel.
Hey guys, so today's video is super fun. I have my mom here with me.
Hello.
And since it's Mother's Day today, we thought, what else would we do but film a video together? So she is going to be doing my makeup for me, and I'm going to be asking, I just spit everywhere. So today she's going to be doing my makeup for me while I ask her some questions just about herself and kids and life in general, I guess.
Yep.
So I guess we will go ahead and get started. I already did my foundation and my eyebrows. She was a no-go on that one. So I have everything laid out for her. So she's ready to rip.
I sure am.
Let's go. Okay, so let me get some questions to ask.
Okay.
Give me clip my hair back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna put your concealer.
Okay.
Is this, yeah. We'll do a V.
Okay, Mom, so let's go ahead and just start with the questions. You ready? What did you love most about your children's elementary school, like, experiences?
I would have to say I loved their parties because I always made or tried to make the prettiest little cupcakes and cookies, and so I always loved like their parties. I miss their, you know, like their Halloween parties, Christmas parties.
I do remember you go all out for every party.
Yes.
You have the best snacks, the best dessert, the best looking plate, everything.
So that was, yeah.
That's
It would
what.
be the little parties. And it would be the, like the little things like Christmas ornaments or little pictures that,
Just all the crafts. And
yes,
stuff that
like
we
all
got
the
to
crafts
do.
that you would bring home.
So how did you choose the names for your children?
Okay, so for Madison's name, I'm just putting on this makeup how I kind of put on mine.
Yeah, that's what I would choose.
Okay. So I got Madison's name off of the movie when I was a little girl. I watched the movie Splash with the mermaid. Anyway, and the mermaid was on Madison Avenue. I remember seeing like Madison Avenue, and that's how I come up with your name. Because I was like, oh my gosh, I love the name Madison. And Jose, he obviously already had his name, but we gave Jose his middle name, which is Michael. So Joseph Michael Feezel. So how we got Austin's name was we just had a list of boy names that we really liked, and Austin was our favorite.
So what is something that's kind of unique about each of your kids?
Okay, with Madison, I would say she is a genuinely sweet girl. Very, very honest, just a genuinely nice girl. Always wants to do the right thing, sometimes.
Oh.
Okay, and with Austin, I would say he has a huge heart. Austin has a really big heart for others. Like, he would give you the shirt off his back if you needed it. Jose, he is very joyful, like full of joy. Never in a bad mood, always happy. He just brings so much joy to all of us here.
What was one of your favorite outfits to wear as a child or teenager?
Oh.
Love to hear this one, Miss
Yeah.
Fashiony.
Let's see. Well, I always loved, there was a time when I loved to wear like Rocky Mountain jeans and ropers, like cowboy boots.
What are ropers?
Yeah. So I kind of went through a stage and did that.
Do you have any nicknames growing up?
My mom always just called me Tina Lee, because Lee's my middle name, so it'd be like, Tina Lee, get over here.
What was one of the most embarrassing things that happened to you growing up?
Oh gosh. Probably when I was in junior high, I took this, it was at lunch, and I took this boy's pencil, and I took it from him, and he grabbed me by the hair and threw me on the ground. I swear this is a true story. He threw me on the ground, but he grabbed me like by my hair and yanked me down.
Oh, wow.
And, yeah, and threw me on the ground in front of everyone. So yeah, that was so embarrassing, but it was like so funny because I couldn't stop laughing. But yeah, that was embarrassing.
Did you have a favorite subject in school?
No.
Probably not.
I didn't. Nope, you better skip that. Skip on over all the school stuff.
What was one of your most memorable family vacations?
Oh, probably when we would load the kids up and take off to Mexico. Like, we would just load up and we would just go vacation, and the kids love the beach. But now it would be, I love like when we have the kids and we're in the Grand Caymans, or yeah, so any of our beach vacations.
I'm going for the wing today.
I might have winged it out too much.
Okay, we're almost done with the makeup, so the last question is, Mom, what was your favorite band growing up as a kid?
New Kids on the Block.
NKOTB.
And I still go to their concerts to this day.
Yes, she does. So, don't you have a funny story with?
So, yes, I have a funny story. So, when I was like 13 years old, my mom took my sister and I to a New Kids on the Block concert in Tulsa. And we were walking to the concert, and I spotted one of the new kids. It was Donnie, and he was on a motorcycle. And anyway, and so we like started chasing him, and he actually stopped, and we got to meet him. But my sister was like so excited, and just so like, I don't know, like you just kind of like freak out when you're that young and you're getting to meet someone that you're crazy about. And my sister was so excited, she took off running to go meet him and got hit by a truck. I mean, it wasn't like full on hit. A truck hit the side of her arm and it knocked her to the ground. And anyway, so that was like a funny story. But we did get to meet Donnie. But since then, I've met every one of them.
Oh, I didn't know you've met every one of them.
Yeah, remember I would pay to go backstage?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do now.
Yeah. Okay, so I got your lips on.
Okay. Is that everything?
Guys, what do you think? First off, I cannot talk and do makeup at the same time.
I think it looks good. I always like when you do my eyes. I feel like you always do them very simple. It looks just very natural, and I like that a lot. Okay, so this is her finished makeup look. If you ever want Tina Feezel to do your makeup, go ahead, just, I guess, hit her up. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun doing the video because I love my mom, and everyone should appreciate their moms because They're awesome.
Baby.
You wouldn't be here without your mother, so
That's
remember
true.
that.
That's true.
So don't forget to what?
Subscribe to Madison's channel.
And go ahead and give it a thumbs
up.
And if you want, you can turn on the little post notifications down there because it lets you know whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.